Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to check out Wave by Antonio Carlos Jobim. So if you need any additional help with this tune after watching the video, be sure to check out guitar-resource.com where I give where I have options for lessons through Skype or correspondence lessons. So you can meet with me or do trade videos back and forth. And also, building up the YouTube channel here. I've got over 500 videos now, up to over 700 subscribers at this point. And so definitely subscribe and like the videos that you like. And that'll be helpful for me. And I've got a lot of new content, so that'll be helpful for you too, hopefully. So let's check this out. We're going to start out with D minor 9 and then G13, so we're going to kind of work through that as an intro here. So you'd play something like this. Okay, and we'll go through the some of the chord shapes in a minute, but we'll start with the melody here next. So I'm just going to kind of walk through some of the notes. I'm going to play really free. I'm not going to play in time, so I just want to point out where some of these notes are. And this isn't the only way that you could play it. There are other ways. So that's basically the A section there. So this time I'll play it a little more in strict time here. Okay, so now essentially you would repeat that. So hopefully you're able to kind of follow that and maybe work along with it. So we're going to play that, and then you're going to play that again. And then, so next we'll look at the bridge part. So we're going to start here with the position. So I'm just going to kind of go through slowly. Okay, so that's kind of the bridge there. So I'll play it more in strict time here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so so that gives you an idea of the melody. Then you go back to that first part, and so on like that. So A, B, A is the form there. All right, so let's look at the chords for the A sections. So we'll try, let's play a D major 9. Okay, and then we're going to play B flat diminished into A minor, D7 flat 9, G major 7. So I'm playing G minor 6 here, and then F, and we're going to create this little movement here, this chromatic movement through these next two chords. So play okay, so that F7, F7, the sharp 5, F sharp minor 7 into the B7 flat 9. Okay, and then we're going to go up here to D9, B flat 7 to A7, and then we can kind of get into that kind of motion like the intro. Okay, so that's going to happen twice, just like the melody. And then next we're going to go to G minor 9 here to C7, and then F major 7. Okay, and then F minor 9, B flat 7 into E flat. Okay, and then we play A7. Okay, and then as an alternative, might play G minor 7, and then C over B flat to A minor, and then B flat to B flat over A flat into G minor. Okay, so then we go back to the A section and play through that. And then when you finish the tune out, you can vamp on that, and then end on D major 9 here. All right, so I hope this run through of Wave has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. The reference for this, you can find this in this tune in the real book, and you can also find it in the new real book. I think both edition 1. So you could find the versions there. So when I played the melody, I basically played it just like the new real book, and I took some of the changes from the new real book as well. So so great. I'm glad you got a chance to check this out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. And as I mentioned earlier, if you do need more help with this, especially with improvising, I'd be happy to help you online with a Skype lesson and or through correspondence lessons. And you can check out guitar-resource.com. You can also check out my other websites, gemellisguitar.com and fretprints.com. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great practice session.